Heavy metals are metallic elements with a high density, at least 5 times greater than water, with more atomic number, weight, and considered to be hazardous. Examples of heavy metals include mercury, cadmium, arsenic, chromium, thallium, and lead. These metals are naturally occurring elements and are widely applied in industries, agriculture, medicinal, and technological appliances, thereby increasing the distribution in environment and natural resources. Apart from the anthropogenic consumption, the sources of heavy metals are also used and obtained from natural resources such as volcanic eruptions and weathering of metal-contained rock. The bioaccumulation of heavy metals in natural water resources through dry and wet deposition is considered as a threat. The retainment of these metals poses environmental menace and gives an alarm to health status of humans and various aquatic organisms. The pathetic part is that this toxicity affects the embryonic development and produces deformities in growth in the newborn. Brain is a sensitive organ that coordinates the entire system. The heavy metal poisoning also influences the physiology of neuroscience. The stress involved in brain due to these metals can produce various broad spectral disease and disorders like autism, Alzheimer's, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's, etc. All good things starts from our gut. Yes, the good habitat of microbes in our gut can bind with heavy metals and competitively inhibit the intestinal absorption. A person blessed with a high amount of gut microbes can resist heavy metals. Therefore, consuming probiotics, which are living gut microbes, can protect intestines from the invasion of heavy metals. Several nanomaterials can remediate the heavy metals. There are various forms of nanomaterials like nanosieves, fibers, tubes, missiles, etc., where biopolymers plays a distinct role and associate to combat heavy metals. Chitosan is an effective biopolymer which has a high biocompatibility. When it is encapsulated with an antidote, it targets a deformity. Especially in neurology, it can bypass the blood-brain barrier. Recent studies promote the probiotic encapsulation of polymers which can facilitate gut remediation against heavy metals. Establishing mechanisms to elucidate the heavy metal toxicity is the need of the hour. Interdisciplinary research is abundantly required to save our beautiful earth. Let's join hands to make a better world and country. Thank you. Jai Hind.